Hi, my name is Ulrika Hedlund. I'm the founder of Storyals. We train tomorrow's digital leaders. Our mission is to inspire, motivate, and educate you to work smarter in the digital workplace. And we do this through our unique concept of story-based learning, expert-led coaching, and practical hands-on exercises built around real-life work scenarios. Today, the workplace is being transformed by AI. Microsoft 365 Copilot has the power to reinvent how business users get their work done. But it won't happen with just a license upgrade, since people are by nature resistant to change. That's why Storyals offers a complete learning journey, from mastering the foundations with Microsoft 365 and getting started with Copilot, to more advanced ways of working with AI-powered agents. Through our instructor-led training programs and on-demand story-based courses, we help organizations accelerate AI adoption at scale for quicker business impact. I strongly encourage you to get in touch with us today to learn how Storyals can help your employees build the digital skills and confidence needed to thrive in today's AI-powered workplace.